Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about very important Java entry question. Java objects are passed by value or reference. Again, I want to repeat this question, very important. Java objects are passed by value or passed by reference. Please remember, Java only supports pass by value. That means you pass always a copy to the method. You always pass a copy. Passed by value. With the objects, the object reference itself is passed by value, and so both the original reference and parameter copy both refer to the same object. I have a main method here. Let's see an example. In the main method, I am creating a string object. That means let's assume the address of the string object is 1348. The string value holds 1348, and I'm passing this 1348 to the method. Here also 1348. 1348, I'm displaying it. 1348 contents. 1348 is an address of a string, so get that string plus add some other string and print it out. That's what I'm trying to do here. This is case 1. So 1348 address, 1348 string plus some other string, I'm displaying it. This is case 1. Case 2, this is where we lost the old address. We passed 1348 address, but the moment you reassign, please remember, reassign new string of some other string, I got the job. So whenever I reassign it, this string value param lost the old address, that is 1348. Now it will get a new address 1359. So after this line in this method, it lost the old address. So if you try to print it, it will give you the new string that you have assigned. So these are the two cases. So the interviewer might be looking answer for this. Whenever I reassign, what will happen? So please remember, whenever you reassign, we lost the address. So that means then after you go to the method, if you print this string value, it will still display the old one. That means this proves that we are passing the object as passed by value. So we pass the address, we manipulated here, we reassigned it, nothing happened. Still we are able to hold this in this method. That means we just pass the copy of the address, not the exactly the same. But in C++ you can manipulate it, but in Java it's like you just pass the copy of the address here. Still we are able to refer to the old one. Whatever you did doesn't matter, but here we are able to hold it. Let's debug and check whether it works properly or not. I'm getting a string object, passing the string address to the method, and I'm printing it out. I'm appending to that current string address plus some other value. It is printing properly. The moment I reassign, we lost the old address, the copy of the old address. So we lost the copy of the old address, and I'm printing something here. I got the job. Okay, but if we still go here and print str value, we can still print the 1348 address. So that means we passed only the copy. Whatever you did here, nothing did not affect it. Actually this line should have affected here, but still it did not happen. That means Java support pass by value, only pass by value. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. Thank you.